And but the idea is just go on this website and then follow the instructions here. So this one should be more self-explanatory. Once you are done, or even if one person is done, put yes or done in the chat window for me. So the key thing is follow these instructions in setting up your university account, and then it gives you access to the freebies. So yeah, I'm not going to go through all this, but shortcut, there are two shortcuts. Sometimes you can go to University of Northampton. And then log in there. So then you can log in here. And it should take you, it's a long-winded way. Just bear with me. As I try to go through this security stuff. It takes you to the main page and you will go to Students Hub. And from the Student Hub, unless things have changed, you should have access to Office 365 hanging somewhere.
Sorry.
Hello.
What's the website for the Student Hub?
I just simply went to northampton.ac.uk, the main website, and then you log in. And even you see at the bottom here, download Office 365, download Microsoft Office.
Wait, Northampton dot.
Don't worry. Let me type it in the chat window for you, okay?
Okay.
In your case, you just click student, right? In my case, I click staff. So your interface may be slightly different from mine, but at least you just click download Office and you've got access to a lot of freebies, I'll say, NVivo and other things. But we are in SPSS, we are interested in Office 365. So click Office 365, which pretty much take you to exactly the same page as I was. In my case, it will be somewhere here. So if I just sign in, so it's the same thing. So pretty much without, if you want, you can just go to office.com and that takes you there. Yeah. I've got something showing up and other things. So I'm just going to zoom in and stay here. So if you want, you can edit directly from on here. Are we on a similar page? I'll pause the recording and right. Hopefully you can still see my screen. Can you? Am I sharing my screen? Yes, I am sharing my screen. So if you, I think we were in Office here, meetings and other things I have. I don't really want to record all that, but it's showing anyway. Right, this is safer. So let's go on there. So I'll go home, and if I click the home button, it still takes me there. You notice that you have the install apps. So if you just click that and you install the Office 365, and last time I think I advised you to maybe do that outside this meeting if your internet is quite slow. But if you're using different devices, want to listen to me and other things, just simply press install. And you notice for me, it's downloaded, and you can tell from the package that it's a Mac software. It's about 2.2 gig for me, and I have only 3 minutes to download, so it's not that long. So if you don't have it, you can download it in the background. It's at the bottom left corner if you're looking at my screen and you can see it. But I am going to cancel mine because I have it installed for me. So you can download yours right now to make life easy for you. And how I got there was just to click the home button and then click install apps. Okay.